Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get richer every year while others work harder and still stay stuck? You're not lazy. You're not stupid. And no, life isn't just unfair. You're trapped. The truth is, there's a system designed to keep you poor. It rewards you just enough to survive, but never enough to escape. And today, I'm going to expose it. By the end of this video, you won't just know why most people stay broke. You'll understand how to never be one of them again. But let me warn you, most people won't take action. Will you? Let's break it down. Trap by trap, go to college, get a stable job, work hard, retire at 65. Sound familiar? This was the path your parents believed in, and for them, maybe it worked. But for us, that safe path is a financial graveyard. We leave college with tens of thousands in debt, only to land in entry-level jobs that barely cover rent. By the time we pay off student loans, we're trapped in car payments, mortgages, and credit cards. We're not building wealth. We're financing our own prison, and we call it normal. But here's the truth. The path was never safe. It was predictable, and predictability is how the system keeps you in line. Let me ask you something. If you stopped working today, how long could you survive? If your answer is a few weeks or less than a month, you're not financially free. You're time poor. You've been taught to trade hours for dollars, work 40 hours, get paid, work overtime, get paid more. But what happens when you stop working? The wealthy don't trade time for money. They use money to buy back time. They invest in assets that earn while they sleep. You're stuck in an endless clock in, clock out loop. And here's the kicker. The longer you do it, the harder it gets to escape. Every time you earn more, do you save more or spend more? Most people don't grow rich when their income increases. They grow comfortable, and comfort is dangerous. You get a raise, so you upgrade your apartment, buy a better phone, start ordering Uber Eats 5 times a week. Lifestyle creep slowly bleeds you dry, and society feeds it. You're bombarded with messages. Buy this to feel successful, lease that to look rich. We're not taught how to grow money. We're taught how to spend it faster. The worst part? Most people don't even know they're in this trap. You've been told, save your money. But here's what they didn't tell you. Saving alone makes you poor every year. Thanks to inflation, every dollar you save today is worth less tomorrow. Your $10,000 in savings? That's losing buying power as we speak. Meanwhile, the wealthy use inflation to their advantage. They invest in real estate, stocks, businesses, assets that rise with inflation. You save, they invest, you shrink, they grow. Let that sink in. The system punishes savers and rewards investors. So if you're not investing, you're not standing still. You're falling behind. This one's the hardest to break. You've been taught that money is evil, that wanting more makes you greedy, that people who are rich got lucky or cheated. You think you're bad with money, that it's just not your thing. That's not truth. That's programming. You inherited a mindset built on fear and scarcity, and it's been holding you back your entire life. The wealthy, they think differently. They see money as a tool, not a reward. They focus on creating, not consuming, on growing, not hoarding. Wealth isn't just numbers in your bank. It's a mindset shift. Break the mindset and you break the trap. The education system didn't teach you about money. Your job doesn't pay you what you're worth. Inflation eats your savings. Culture rewards your spending. And your own beliefs trap you from within. So how do you escape? Start small, but start now. Learn about investing. Create digital income streams. Spend less than you earn and invest the difference. And above all, question everything you were taught about money. Because the world has changed. The old rules don't work anymore. But here's the good news. You're not stuck unless you stay stuck. The next 5 years can look nothing like the last 5, but that's up to you. If this video opened your eyes, even just a little, subscribe to Investor Mindset right now. We break down how to escape the system, grow your wealth, and build a life of freedom without hype or BS. This is where your wealth journey starts. Don't just scroll away. Hit subscribe and let's grow together.